Hi, and welcome to Shelley Finds. So today, look at the state of me, I'm off to a Carboot, up at 5 o'clock. I can't remember last time I got up at 5 o'clock. It's pitch black out there. It's awful. I don't know how you do it. Anybody else do it? Let me know. Anyway, I had to go up at 5, just so I can fill the other half full of coffee, because it's a nightmare. He needs at least 3 cups before he can even move, let alone do anything.
I can't do no right for doing wrong.
We're off, and I'm taking you with me. See you soon. I'm back. And it's now light. Oh, don't do these 5 o'clock get-ups, you know. It's ridiculous. How do people get up at 5 o'clock? Why do they get up at 5 o'clock? I don't know. Anyway, going to show you what we got. Start off is, ta-da! There we go. Moncler jacket. £5. Now, look at the logo. The logo's good. So you've got all the letters nicely curved around where they should be on the bottom. We're all the same size, equal spacing. Love that. Love the jacket, love the colour. However, the zip. There's no logo on the zip. So that makes me wonder whether it's not real. Although that's a really good fake on there. And it's got the label in the back as well. But so for that reason, it's a bit long on my hands, but keep my hands warm. I'm keeping it for £5. I love it. It's my new winter coat. Next up, we've got Blue Harbour Vintage. Now you're going to think, what's Blue Harbour? Let's have a look. I quite like that as well. I think it's a man's jacket there. It is Marks and Spencer's. So I thought, I don't normally pick up Marks and Spencer's, but I quite like that cod jacket. What do you think? Quite nice. This for £2. She said I could have it for £2. I thought, £2, not leaving it. But I've not done a car boot. It must be nearly 20 years. I took that one over there. Let's keep with the trend on jackets. This one's the Tog 24. There we go. Nice jacket, good condition. She made me pay £7 for this one. She wanted to charge 10. I walked away. I come back later and picked a load more stuff up, and she let me have it for 7. So it's the ladies, I think, 16. So that's quite nice. Hoods there. Oh, I quite like that one. Right, I like this, and it is, I believe, the liners Barber, but you can wear them as a gilet. Look, smart. Just poppers, popper front. That is original. Checked all that out. Nice little pockets. Got some kind of weird zippy thing going on back here. I don't know what that's about. But I have seen these in a weird pocket there. I've seen them on eBay. They go for about 29 to 35 quid. And I paid £7 for that one. I did pay a bit much, but I do quite like that. That's my Barber. Next up, this is, I'm going to put my glasses on, I can't see a thing. It says Rab. Now this is a women's Rab, it's a size 12. It's very, if you hold it up to light, you can actually see through it, so it's very lightweight, like a base layer. But it's quarter zip. I think I paid £2 for that one. So that'll do. I'm just going in order here, so I don't know what's coming out of this bag. Oh, Tog 24 again. It's more like, I don't know what you call it. It's like the sports stuff. It's fleecy inside and out, and that's a men's size small. Well, that's quite big to me. Again, it's something that you can wear for spring. Not, you could wear it winter under a jacket, but you can wear that at spring. It's that's okay. I can't remember how much I paid for that. No more than £5. I bought a lot of coats. Yeah, so this one's an Adidas. It's a ladies size 12. Oh, let me just get that over there so you can see it. Nice coat, look. Zip up coat, padded. Good condition. Zip pockets. Thought I quite like that one too. That one was £5. Can't leave it for a £5, can you? I'm going to have to get these on, by the way, because of coats, and it's the season. It is the season. It's freezing out there. I wonder what's coming out next. I wonder if this is a coat. No, well, sort of. It's New Balance, men's medium. It's like a zip-up lightweight top. But like, I'm going to show my age now. I know the old tracky things that you used to have. It's a bit like that. New Balance. Again, I think that one was £4. Most of these were from 2 people. I thought, oh, did all right here. Let's get rid of that bag. This one is North Face. So it's a men's fleecy. It's all right condition. Hoodie. It's got the toggles there, zip up. I think that was £5 as well. Most things I bought were £5. Right, it's not a jacket. What is it? It's an Adidas hoodie. Again, nice grey with red stripes down. It's got the problem with the toddle, which I just noticed when I got home. So that needs re-threading back to come back out of there. But I'm sure I can do it. Or someone can do it. Oh, again, it's all right. Everything I bought, apart from a couple of items that last, cost me between £4 and £5. That's that one. Another jacket, kind of like mid-jacket this, so like spring. It is a racing green large. That one. So it says it's like light padding. So that can go on now. Just time it here, isn't it, you know. You don't want to be too hot. But you don't want to be freezing at the same time. Pair of jeans. What about that? Boss. Boss jeans. Legs are good condition. No fraying round bottoms. Clean condition, actually. They're alright when they come out in wash. So, Boss jeans. It's not a coat. I wonder what's next. I know. It was a jacket kind of day. So this is crew clothing. Medium. On that again. It's a very lightweight jacket. It's not thick at all. So that could be like spring, summer. I mean, hopefully we won't need jackets in summer. But one never knows, do you? You never know. So that's that one. I'll just get back in that other empty bag. This is not a jacket. It is similar. It's a gilet. Now like this, penguin. Again, it's something I used to buy for my boys when they were like late teens. I'm not sure if it's still in now, but £4. I thought it's alright. Nice pockets. I'd wear that. I think Gilet's coming up this weather where it's in between. You know, it's cold, and some days it's not that cold. You put long sleeve top on and a gilet, it looks lovely. So hopefully that'll sell. Profit in all of these. And the last item in this bag is not a coat, it's not a gilet. Don't be so shocked. It's the berry drainers. I saw these. Adidas. Size 8, I think they are. Good condition on bottom. It's got stain, but I'll get all that out. So I paid £5 for these. When I buy them on Vinted, I normally pay between 5 and 8, and then you've got your shipping and your buyer's fees. It works out between 8 and 10 quid. So 5 off, that's cheap for me. There are no shoes at this Carboot. What's happening? No shoes. Let's pop this down there. Another empty bag. We're doing well, aren't we? 2 items left, just 2, and I'm doing it that way. So, I like this. It is small. It's a lady's size 8. But look, my paws. It's got like, I think it's 80% lamb's wool or something like that. It's really, really nice. Logos. If I was skinnier, like 15 years ago, I'd have fit in this. It's lovely. I couldn't leave that behind. Again, £7 that way. Last item. So this one's Emporio EGA. It's suede. I'm not sure what size this is. Looks like a suede. Not got anything in pockets either. Should be cash in there, shouldn't they? But I don't know. I'm not used to buying them Armani. I'm sure that Emporio is Armani, and that is a vintage label. If you know, comment below and let me know. I'll do some research later on it. It's a really nice jacket though. Quite heavy as well. Now this is the item I paid £12 for. It's got all the, but it all looks right to me. But I think, as I said, it's vintage Armani. And if it is, I'm going to put it up for about 40 quid. Cost me 12, and we'll see. But as I said, I will do some research on that. So that's it for me first Carboot outing. Just to let you know, we've bought a camera. Not this one. This is still my iPhone 11. We've bought one of these, what is it, Osmo DJI Action 5. So hopefully, we just need to buy the mics and then we're sorted. So the next one, I should be sounding, look, how can I look better? Hopefully a camera can make me look better. Who knows? Then we'll see. So that should be on next one. What a day for a Sunday. I don't think I've been up at 5 o'clock for years. Let me know what you did on your Sunday. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like and a subscribe. Until next time, see you later.